Stand up, Jack Jack. Can you stand up for Mommy? Oh, look at you! You stood up! Yay! And you're sticking your thumb. Oh, you look like me. Hi, Jack Jack. Can you say hi? Say hi. Good boy. What you doing, little man? Are you standing up in your crib? Are you being adorable? Come on, Jack Jack, stand up. Come on. Look at you. You did it. Yay. Good job. Give 5. All right. I love you.